Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Telegram installed, a bot father-created bot, and the token copied. Once done, open the bot or your control panel and add the token to the forwarder app or script. Make sure to grant the bot permission to read messages in the source chat, join it, or add the bot as member. Also add the bot to destination chat, and promote as needed. This gets you immediately to the operational stage without delay. Once the bot is connected, define rules clearly. You will create filters for keywords, media types, or specific senders. This prevents noise. Then map each source to one or multiple destinations and choose whether to forward as copy or forwarded message. Make that choice based on privacy needs. Next, set rate limits or batching to avoid spam flags and configure optional transformations like editing captions or stripping attachments. Test a sample message to confirm the logic. Adjust filters if you see unwanted forward. You finish by running a full end-to-end test. Send real messages, check how attachments and captions arrive, and confirm sender attribution. Make sure logging is enabled so you can trace failures later. If forwarding stops, first verify the bot token and that it still has permissions in both chats, then inspect rate limit or flood weight errors. If you see duplicate or missing messages, tweak filters and retry. One key troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.